rod railing has a unique upscale appearance, but why not take it a step further with a beautiful metal handrail and a custom finish? Our metal handrails are available in a plethora of colors, from royal blue powder-coated aluminum to brushed stainless steel. These material and finish options help you achieve a highly customized appearance that will fit perfectly in any project. Let's check out the dimensions for our different handrail profiles to see what would work best for you. Our rectangular handrail measures 1 inch thick by 2 inches wide and can be used as either a top rail or handrail. We also have a 2-inch round rail, which is a popular solution for commercial applications which require a graspable handrail. It also works as a top rail or handrail as well. For a handrail that will make any project look luxurious while also withstanding the test of time, check out our metal railing options. If you have any additional questions, check out the rest of the videos in this series or head on over to our website and download the Viewrail Buyer's Guide. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to making your new rail